Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to BBID News. And here we have some information that's going to tell you guys about. So,
Some riot in in front of DPR office.
yes, this is the first information that we're going to tell you guys about what we call it?
Riot
Riot in front of
DPR office.
What buildings?
Yeah, DPR buildings. So it's
So
happened in
front of DPR buildings, and
Yes.
today's on 25 August. There are a lot of
people there.
people or young men that's doing raids in front of DPR buildings, and they are now, some of them are already entered to DPR buildings, and the DPR was just shocked and don't know what he's doing, and
So many people ruin all facilities general, and so many buildings getting destroyed by some people because of this riot.
and this riot make a lot of things in DPR buildings was destroyed, fired, and other things.
And the police cannot stop it because all people too strong to destroy DPR buildings.
And maybe just next to the next information. So the next information, there is a guy that riding a motorcycle, and he hit a man while eating Indomie.
That's so very not good.
Yes, a guy that
Hey, Koruptor! Why your salary get increased?
Oi! DPR!
So bad people! I will destroy your office right now! Go on!
So, as you can see guys, behind me, this is the impact when you being corrupted. So, the people of your country will get angry by himself because of you corrupt the money. So, it's literally illegal to corrupt any people money, stealing money and others. However, the salary get increased. So these things already happened from a long time ago, and we need to anticipate this case. So as you guys can see over here, the DPR got bullied by the young man over here. So that's from me, Kamil Faris.
Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mr. Muzakir. In here, I would like to say a condition in the PR office. There is some people or young men from UA College can enter to the office, DPR office, and then when he already entered to the office of DPR, he punched the DPR, and in Indonesian say disiksa guys. And then the DPR just like, I'm sorry. And then the young man asked the money. Where is my money? Why your KGN increase? And then the DPR just say, I don't know. Just bad DPR guys. Don't be DPR guys. Then what the young man do again? He always punch, he always kick the DPR until DPR maybe I think die. But there is so many DPR in that office. I wanna enter to the DPR office, but my wife say I must clean up my home because my homework so many. Then I so scared of my wife. Cause that.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to BBID Studio. So here there's a new news from the Pamijahan
Bogor. So the news is about there is a hidden school in the middle of forest, right?
Yes, right.
Yes. So the school in the middle of forest with the good view, with the beautiful view, with the beautiful river and something like that.
And then the school have a material about technology. So it's important for the technology also have a good area like that.
Yes, good area, good connection.
Yes.
Yes, like that. So the name of the school is IDN Boarding School. So IDN Boarding School places in the middle of forest, which is in the middle of the village of Pamijahan, special in the middle of forest. And then IDN different with the other school, right?
Right. And the special of idea and boarding school in this Pamijahan is so the school have the river, so we can swimming or something like that in the weekend. So refreshing like that.
Not only river, but there is a mini zoo also. With inside there is some animal, and then there is chicken, rabbit, and others. Okay, maybe let's go see the news from BBID Studio.
Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Brenda Putra. I'm from 11 TKJ from IDN Pamijahan Boarding School.
My name is Kamil Faris. Just I'm class like Reza.
So guys, what I wanna talk in here, I wanna talk what I feel when I school and I learn in IDN Boarding School. So in here, in IDN Boarding School is in the middle of the forest in the Bogor, or specifically in Pamijahan. I feel like good when I learn in here. Especially I learn about IT and English, and then of course Tahfiz and Dunia. Then when I like my head so full about when I learn IT and something about that in IDN, there is not just a field like futsal field or basketball field. In IDN Boarding School, there is a river and a little mini zoo.
Yes, and not just that, because yes, every IDN students have their own problems. So we face the challenge, and we must complete the challenge. At least we face it. That's what school teach us. So it's represented by a lot of agenda that they've met. This is survival, and then some event maybe, or maybe idleness or live in, and a lot of agenda again. So one of the agenda is just like business survival, where we are titan or becoming a seller, but it's not a normal seller. When you need to sell in Aqua, that's cost only 5,000, and you must sell it for about 20,000 maybe, and with that you need to get money. If you can't get money, you can take to the IDN. And one of the another challenges is about like restoring a cave, or maybe climbing or like hiking and others. So that's really teach us about character building. Then not about that also, we must join a competition, teachings, and there's also Islamic public speaking every week that will train our public speaking and remove our anxiety to people. And is that?
Maybe this our explain it about our school. So don't forget to IDN Boarding School Pamijahan because this school is so good.
Inshallah, you don't regret it, yeah.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, maybe that's all for us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so that's how IDN looks like for me.
Yes.
How about your opinion about IDN?
My opinion of IDN, the material in IDN, how they are learning in here, so good, and then there's certificate in here.
Oh my God, this IDN students do some exam.
Exam.
Yes, some exam. What is this?
Then
Oh, CCNA, Cisco. So for me, IDN student like very good, have so many skills in networking, and maybe house. You want your cousin or your brother enter to IDN or not?
maybe, but that.
Expensive.
Yes.
Expensive.
So this is the condition of the class in the IDN.
So, okay, maybe that's all from us from BBID Studio. We are leaving. I'm Lutfi Akimatari.
And me, my name is Muhammad Fatih.
Last word say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.